Now our objective is to maximize the revenue. So we will use the solver now. So just for comparison purpose, I am entering this value here 1914. Similarly, I want to see the changes in the price. So I am copying this initial prices over here. This is for the comparison purpose. I am going to use now solver. Go to data, go to solver. Now in the solver, you know that in the set objective now we have to enter the sale address of total revenue, because that we want to maximize. So enter M3. Maximize is already selected, so keep it as it is. By changing variable sales, we know that the prices which we are required to change, so that we are having. Now I'm adding a couple of constraints over here. You know that when you are taking the pricing decision, your prices should not be less than the cost of the production or manufacturing, and at the same time you cannot price more than your competitors price. So therefore, what we are assuming that our production cost is rupees 1 and our competitors price is maximum rupees 100. So I'm adding these two constraints here. So click on add. So I have to give the cell reference. Cell reference is nothing but my price points. So it is D4 to J4. Now I want the value should be greater than equal to 1. That is the cost of my services. Click add. Now the price should be less than rupees 100, which is my competitor's price. So again I am selecting all those price points. Now let me select less than equal to, and in the constraint field enter rupees 100. Once done, click OK. Now you will see both the constraints conditions are appeared in this subject to constraint box. Now next thing is that you have to check the solving method. The solving method should be evolutionary. If it is not, then you select evolutionary in the solver and then click solve. When you click solve, it will take some time to produce the result. Till that time you need to have the patience. Wait, it may take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or even hours together. But in our case, our data set is small, therefore it will not take much time. The solver results are available. Click OK. Now you see that initially total revenue was 1914. Now it has maximized to 3360. Similarly, you can see the changes in the price. Initially the price for internet was 10 rupees. Now it is 88 rupees. Similarly for TV it was 12. It is now 35. And for combo for all three, it was initially 50 rupees, which is now changed to 70 rupees. So let me just reduce the decimal points for proper visibility. Solver has helped us to determine the prices for each of our plan. But if you inspect these prices carefully, the plan 1, that is internet single service plan, costing 88 rupees, which is more than 3 service combination plan, 70 rupees. Now such situation is called as price reversal, and we cannot accept these prices. These are unreasonable. We cannot go with these prices in the market. So therefore we need to correct these situations. Now for this, first I need to list all such possible price reversal cases, which I am doing in this O column. Before I go ahead and try to correct this situation, let me make a duplicate of this initial solution sheet. Label this sheet as a final solution. This we are doing for comparison purpose, so that we can compare final solution with initial solution. Now in this final solution sheet in column O, I am listing all price reversal cases. So price reversal cases are when a single service price is greater than combo service prices. So therefore, I am taking this first, that is internet. I am using abbreviation. So internet minus price of internet plus TV. This is one possible price reversal case. Second price reversal case might be internet minus internet plus cell phone. Third price reversal possible case is internet minus all three. Similarly, so we have to first find out all possible cases. So total 12 possible price reversal cases we have found out. Now let us compute in this next column the difference. Calculating difference is very simple. The price of internet is available in D4 minus price of internet plus TV is available in G4. Enter. Similarly, price of internet D4 minus internet plus cell phone which is available in H4. Likewise, we will calculate the difference for remaining price reversal cases. There are 12 possible price reversal situations in our example. We have found out all and we also calculated the differences for all. Now in column Q, I will determine penalty score. For this, I will use if formula. If the difference is negative, there is no price reversal case, so the penalty score will be 0. In this situation, the difference is -2, which is negative, so I need 0 over here. However, in case number 3, you can see the difference is positive. Now this is a price reversal case. Now in this situation, my formula should return the difference as a penalty score, so it should return me 18. So therefore I am using the if formula. So if the difference value is greater than 0, so it is a non-negative, it is greater than 0, return me the difference, and if it is not, return me 0. So close the bracket, hit enter. Now just copy paste for remaining cell. Let me reduce the decimal points. Now I want to compute total penalty score. I am using the sum formula. My total penalty score is now 79. Now this total penalty score is available in Q21 cell. Okay, now I am ready to charge the penalty for all such price reversal cases. So I am going to charge rupees 500 for each of the penalty score. So when I charge this penalty, I have to subtract the penalty from this total revenue. Now I am modifying this formula. Now I am subtracting the penalty from this total revenue. My total penalty score is in Q21. I have selected that cell. Now multiplied it by 500. Now this penalty charge of rupees 500 for each penalty score, I have taken it arbitrarily. You can choose any value. You may choose 1000, 1500 or 200. Any value you can choose up. Our ultimate objective is these penalty scores should be 0. I have modified the formula. I have subtracted the penalty from total revenue. Hit enter. Now I am ready to rerun the solver. Click data, click on solver. As I previously mentioned you, by default solver preserves the previous setting, and These are the settings which we have used for initial solution. So keep it as it is. Click on solve. As you know, it will take some time, so have patience. Solver results are ready and available on your screen. Click OK. Now see, the total revenue has maximized with 3,388 rupees. Whereas if you look at the prices now, internet is charged 43, TV 35, all three combination is charged now at 84 rupees. If you look at the penalty scores, it has all penalty scores are now turned 0, indicating there is no price reversal cases with this solution. Now these prices are reasonable enough. You can accept this pricing and you can charge these prices to your consumers. This is how we can charge combo offers.